All right, guys, we got Striderboi here. He's going to do a personal box, Diamond Icons. Good luck to you, sir. With box number 12. All right, got a redemption in here, kind of towards the front. And we're off on the bottom. Start off with autograph of Andy Pettitte. This is 16 of 25. 16 of 25. Number 1 of 5, jersey of Bryce Harper. Jason Hayward, number 2 of 10, red ink. Dansby Swanson, number 20 of 25. Autograph of Alex Bregman, number 12 of 25. Red ink, 5 of 5, Chris Sale. Kyle Schwarber, number 21 of 25. Cubbies. All right, then we got a redemption. Oh, not bad. Red ink autograph, purple parallels. This could be number to 10, Cody Bellinger. That's a nice one. Oh, this is sexy. Patch autograph, numbered 8 of 10, Clayton Kershaw. Sweet. That is a great card. God, I love this product. And our last piece. Damn, what a box. Dual bat autograph, 5 of 10, Mike Trout. This product just delivers straight fire, guys. It's unbelievable. This is without question my favorite baseball product I've seen in a long, long time. All right, brother. Congratulations. Awesome stuff. If I can get you anything else, just let me know.